Okay, this is a tricky one, but Kiaria is 7 years older than Jay. Martha is twice as old as Kiaria, and the sum of their 3 ages is 77. Find the ratio of their ages. Now, ratio, that's important, because once I've got the ages, that's not the end of the question. So we struggle with these type of questions because they involve forming equations, unless you go through trial and error. So Kiaria is Jay's age plus 7. Martha is twice as old as whatever this is. So it's 2 lots of Jay's age plus 7. Now when we add all of those together, and obviously Jay's age is just Jay, when we add all of this together, it equals 77. So let's put that over here. We've got Jay's age plus Martha's age. Now I'm going to expand these brackets to make it easier for me. 2J plus 14. So Jay's age plus 2 lots of Jay's age plus 14 plus Kiaria's age, which is J plus 7, plus J plus 7 equals 77. We know it's 77 because it says when we add all 3 of their ages together, it equals 77. So let's simplify this slightly. I've got J, 2J and J. So that's going to take me to 3J, 3 lots of J's age. I've then got 14 add 7, which is 21. 3 lots of J's age plus 21, and that still equals 77. And you can probably tell what we're going to do next. We're going to do Donald Trump and build a wall. And I'd quite like to take away 21 from both sides because it's going to help me work out how old J is. If I take 21 away from both sides, I'm left with 3J equals 77. Take away 21 gives me 56. And to finish that, I need to get J's age on its own. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So I'm left with J equals, then 56 divided by 3 is 57, 57, 56. Have I done this right? Oh no, because that should have been 4J. Oh, there we go. At least I'm checking. J plus 2J plus J actually gives me 4J. So I'm almost there. I just need to change my 3Js to 4Js. And that's why it wouldn't work. So instead of dividing it by 3 now, I'm going to divide it by 4. So I've got 4J equals 56. That sounds much better. Which means that J equals 56 divided by 4, which should give me 28. Should give me 14. Which gives me 14. So I know J's age is 14. Now, if J is 14, Kiaria is J's age plus 7. So Kiaria is 14 plus 7, which is 21. And Martha is twice as old as this, so she must be 42. And if we're now putting that as a ratio, check the order they want it in. J's age, J is 14, to Kiara's age, who's 21, to Martha's age, who's 42. Now that's quite a tricky question, and that is something that we do need to get a lot better at, forming and solving these equations, even me. And I recognise that this didn't work here, because I recognise that 3 didn't go into 56 nicely, and I ended up with a decimal, and I don't want decimals in somebody's age. Therefore, I knew I must have gone wrong somewhere, so I went back and double checked. Question 25. ABCD is a parallelogram. EDC is a straight line. F is the point AD, so F here is the point AD on AD. That means that BFE is a straight line. Angle EFD is 35. Angle DCB is 75. Show the angle A to B to F, which is this angle here. Show that this angle is 70. Okay, now Miss Ford tells me anytime I get a question like this, I just fill in everything that I know. So with my purple pen, I'm going to fill in everything I know. Okay, so I know that because that's 35, I know that that there must be 35 because it's vertically opposite angles. I also know that because that's 75 and this is a parallelogram, I know that the opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal, so I know that that there must be 75 degrees. Oh, and hang on, I've got a little triangle here, so maybe that will help me. 75 plus 35 gives me 110, angles in a triangle add to 180, so that must be 70. Brilliant. Now, I didn't do that on purpose. I didn't deliberately choose those angles. There's a lot of different ways you could have gone through this, but just by filling in the angles that I know, that was nice and simple for me. So I can say that angle AFB, so I'm going to say angle A to F to B equals 35 degrees because vertically opposite angles are equal. I can also say that angle BAF equals 75 degrees because opposite angles in a, sorry about the handwriting, parallelogram are equal. I'm then going to say, therefore, angle ABF equals 70 degrees because angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. And just to go along with that, I'm just going to put my workings out for this here. So I'm just going to write 180 take away 75 take away 35 equals 70 degrees.